All right, guys, welcome to Math Chat 39. This is the second time I'm recording this because my first recording got deleted. So I have some work that I'm just going to go through with you. For algebraic thinking, you're going to be doing some more work with order of operations. Remember, you're going to want to work with the innermost grouping first. So this problem I have on my whiteboard right here because I just already did it with you guys, but it deleted. The innermost grouping in this problem is going to be my 11 plus 8. 11 plus 8 is going to get me 19. Okay, I'm bringing everything else down. Then I have 2 plus 19. That is my next innermost grouping. And 2 plus 19 is 21. Bring everything else down. 21 minus 2 is going to get me 19. So I brought my 19 down, and this 12 has come down every single time. Now 19 plus 12, is going to get me 31. Okay? So, when you're working with these problems, make sure you're working with the innermost grouping first, and then slowly but surely working your way out, following those order of operation rules. Down here for base 10 numbers, you're going to be doing some long division. Remember that the first number goes inside the house and the second number goes outside of the house. These directions say they want you to write your work on another piece of paper. It's too hard to do this right now. You guys don't feel like you have to upload any of that stuff for me. Just try your best and work on the work as best you can, either paper or pencil at your workstation or online. I'm going to link this whiteboard app, the AW app, back in here. So if you want to use this, you're more than welcome to. Down here for fractions, it says that you need to solve each equation using the models to help you get started. Now again, I already did this because I've already recorded it, but you are going to go to Insert, Line, hit Line, and you should be able to draw a line on these fraction models. So here are 4 boxes. I took the boxes and I cut them in half because I'm dividing by a half. Once I do that, I want to see how many boxes I have total. I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of my boxes I have available now because I had 4 and then I cut them in half, so now I have 8. You're going to do the same over here. You're going to take each one of your 3 boxes and cut them into fourths. Then count up how many boxes you have total, and that should give you your quotient. Measurement and data. We've already done a few of these line plots in the past. You're going to want to take these numbers and order them from least to greatest on the number line, and then draw the X or pull the X on top of each one of those fractions for how many times it occurs up here in my data. Okay. Geometry, you're going to do another family hierarchy. You are going to say, okay, out of all of these titles, which one comes first? Well, we know polygons comes first, and after polygons, what comes next? What falls under polygons? Is it quadrilaterals or parallelograms? After that, what comes after that? A rectangle or a square. Okay. You're going to want to use these arrows to help identify the direction your shape family tree is going. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I have a case of the yawns. I guess I need more coffee. You're going to go ahead and show that hierarchy. You may need to do a little bit of research on this. We've gone over this in the past on previous Math Chat videos. If you have any questions or need any help, don't be afraid to reach out to me. I'm here to assist you. Good luck and take care.